Hey everyone, welcome to the official channel of Buildmatic Custom PCs. So today we have a gaming PC build with us. It is powered by the Ryzen 7 5700X and an RTX 3060 graphic card. The main purpose of this build is gaming. The customer wants to play FPP games at 1080p resolution. We have paired it with a 16 gigabytes of single stick DDR4 RAM, 1 terabyte of NVMe SSD, and a Deepcool 650 watt power supply which is Bronze certified. The cabinet we use is the Deepcool Matrix 43FS, and the total price of this build is 74,990 rupees. If you like to buy one, you can call us on the number given in the description. Thank you.